Hey there. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can connect BenQ monitor to mobile. To do it, it's pretty simple. First, you're gonna need an HDMI cable. You need to put the HDMI cable to your BenQ monitor. And then what you need to do is that you just need to have this adapter. This is called the Anchor USB-C HDMI adapter. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna connect it, as you can see on this picture, to the adapter and then to your phone, and then you can look and watch whatever you want on your monitor. That's it. Super simple. And if you have the VGA, the same process applies. You just need to have adapter for it too.